Hey there, folks! Welcome back to Product Critique, the channel where we bring you in-depth reviews of the hottest tech products in the market. Today, we've got something special for you. The MSI Mag Core Liquid 360 RV2 AIO RGB CPU Liquid Cooler. I'm excited to dive into what makes this cooler stand out from the rest, and why it might just be the best liquid cooler you can get your hands on. So, let's not waste any time and jump right into it. First off, let's talk about what this cooler has to offer. The MSI Mag Core Liquid 360 RV2 is an all-in-one liquid cooler designed to keep your CPU running cool and efficient. It comes with a 360mm radiator, making it one of the larger AIO coolers on the market. And it's LGA 1700 ready, so it's compatible with the latest CPUs from Intel. Now, what sets this cooler apart are its unique features. One of the standout features is the rotatable blockhead. You can twist it up to 270 degrees, allowing for flexible positioning and easy cable management. Plus, it's adorned with MSI's ARGB logo, adding a touch of style to your setup. The cooler also boasts a split-flow radiator with an integrated three-phase pump. This design enhances durability and reduces motor resonance, ensuring efficient cooling for your CPU. And let's not forget the triple 120mm ARGB PWM fans. They provide excellent airflow while keeping noise levels low, thanks to their PWM control. You can also customize the RGB lighting effects for that extra flair in your rig. Now, let's talk about installation. MSI has made it relatively straightforward, with an easy-to-install mounting bracket that fits both AMD and Intel sockets. They even include thermal paste in the package, which is a nice touch for those new to PC building. Performance-wise, this cooler does a commendable job of keeping your CPU temperatures in check. Whether you're gaming, streaming, or doing CPU-intensive tasks, the MSI Mag Core Liquid 360 RV2 ensures your CPU stays cool under pressure. And, as always, we'll be testing its performance thoroughly in our upcoming benchmark section. Alright, let's dive into some benchmarks to see how this cooler stacks up. We'll be testing it with an Intel i9-12900K CPU and pushing it to its limits to see how well it handles the heat. As you can see from the temperature results, the MSI Mag Core Liquid 360 RV2 does an excellent job of keeping our CPU cool even under heavy loads. This means you can expect reliable and consistent performance from your processor. So, to wrap it up, the MSI Mag Core Liquid 360 RV2 is a fantastic AIO cooler with impressive features, great cooling performance, and easy installation. It's a top pick for anyone looking to keep their CPU temperatures in check and add some RGB flair to their build. If you want to get your hands on one of the best liquid coolers in the market, be sure to check the link in the description below to grab the MSI Mag Core Liquid 360 RV2 for yourself. And if you found this review helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Product Critique for more in-depth tech reviews. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll catch you in the next one.